Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's videos, I would like to do something new for my hair color. I want to be look like a K-pop idol. Simple, easy way to do the hair color by myself. I just want to change my hair color. My hair just grows so fast. My dark hair just comes out a lot. Oh my gosh, look at this. Gray hair. What the fuck? Oh shit. Am I getting old?
Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down.
Yeah, before this video, so make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to send us some support to support us to do more useful, funny videos, just click here later. Yeah. Let's go. These videos will be more relaxed, more chill, not serious as usual. Yeah, you know, I'm not the serious people. I hate serious.
Are you serious?
I hate too serious. Come on, life is too short. Why so serious? This color is a bit purple and wet, and I would like to make a dark brown hair color. But just everything look nice and natural, shiny, makes the hair color. I just feels like I'm doing the live videos on YouTube. Yeah. And the percentage, 50% for the color, 50% for... How to say that in English?
Nani?
I just forgot how to say that in English.
What the fuck?
50% for this and another 15% to this. Then just mix together. I'm genius. Here you see, just mix together. You will feel the color just feels so smelly, but yeah, you know, because it is the chemical. So yeah, I think I should open the conditioner. This method you have never seen before. Put the color on your hands. I'm serious. Yeah, let's try. Hey, you see? That is the color. Yeah. And just find a mirror and facing it. I just facing the mirror, and you just like apply the shampoo.
Nani?
Not shampoo. You just imagine you apply the conditioner. Just like imagine your hands like a brush. Just brush it. Oh, right now you can see my muscle. Wow. I'm missing the gym. I'm missing the gym. Wow. When you do it, you just start from the middle and push, 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 push like this. Yeah. Wow, that's so simple. How to do the back just like this. This method just useful for any blend. You can put a towel to protect the t-shirt. Also, you can just wear some t-shirt that you not really care about it. Hey, I'm the unicorn. Unicorn Isaac. Unicorn. Wow. Gosh, it just look like an uncle. Let's do for the side. Somebody say I got the magic hands. I don't think so normally, but now I know what they mean now. Yeah, I just got the magic hands. Magic, magic. Can't wait for the results. I know you're waiting for the results too. How can I use the camera? Because I just have so many color on my hands. Mom, can you help me? Can you help me? Help me? Yeah, finally Just comb everywhere. Just comb it from the root to the ends. You see? I think I have long time haven't do this hair color. Wow. And also, if your skin tone is quite dark and you do the yellow and the orange color, your skin tone will look more dark and look so dirty. If you want to do the nice high quality hair color, you need to match your hair color with your skin tone. That is so important, so important. That's why some hairdressers, they have the higher price for every single hair service, because first they have the fashion sense, and the second they have the good consultation to know what clients need, and the third thing is they know what color, what haircut is nice for their customers. That's three things to make some hairdresser to the motherfucking top level. You see, we almost finished. It takes so fast, just 5 minutes. I think something is so important. Don't mess it up. When you apply the color, don't scratch your scalp. Just imagine you apply the hair mask or the hair conditioner. Just do like this. Comb. Wow, I just look like the soldier in Greece. When you finish everything, just wait for 10 minutes. I think men's hair just so much important. I think I just look like a silly when I have this hairstyle. Normally I just got a 2-block hairstyle. Just makes me look like a K-pop idol. Yeah, or K-pop actor. I just look more better. But right now when I get this hairstyle, I just feels like, wow, that's so crazy, man. No girls like this hairstyle. I'm pretty sure. After 10 minutes, just check out my hair. Wow, I think this is what I want. It's time to shower.
A few moments later.
Wow, I love this hair color so much. Honestly, that's so perfect. It will be look so much different when I just go to outdoor under the sunshine. Hey, I just want to show you what is my hair color look like when I under the sunshine. Wow. I love it so much. Honestly, I love this hair color so much. Can you see that? It's so natural. Hey guys, do you love this hair color? If you love it, just comment below if you love it. By the way, I love it. Finally, I hope you guys love this video style, because this video style is more chill and more relaxing. And hope you guys like it, and comment below to tell me, do you like this video style? Let's comment below and let's check together. Finally, I was so happy that to see you guys to be ISSAC family. You can be the membership. Also, you can just go to my Instagram. Yeah, just follow my Instagram. And I will see you guys on my next videos. Have a nice day. Peace. So nice, right? I love this hair color so much. Wow. I love it so much.